In this video, I'll detail how to use live test on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to use the live test on Samsung Galaxy phone, you're able to copy test from any image or photos and then paste it anywhere you want. So the live test on your Samsung Galaxy device, you can copy test from any images. So here I'm going to show you how to do this. So you can copy the live test from a screenshot or copy the live test from a photo camera. So if I download this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to do this, all you just need to do is open the camera application just like this. Then in my own case, I prefer to always disable motion photo. Once you disable motion photo, go ahead and take whatever you want to copy on the live test just like this. Then once your Samsung phone can detect the test, just go ahead and click on this test icon just above the more button in your Samsung Galaxy device. Then you can just throw this away or put it somewhere else. Then this is what you're going to see. Now to copy this test, all you just need to do is click on copy all. Then you should see copy to clipboard. Then you cannot go anywhere you want to paste the text you copied. Then open the chart, then go ahead and paste it. Is that? So this is going to paste the live test on any object you scan. And this is going to use your Samsung phone camera. So you can just repeat this process again like this. Then click on the test, live test icon. Then hang on. And then there you go ahead and click on copy all. You can even add this directly to note by clicking on add to note. Then that is it. Then go ahead and save this. So that's all you need to do to use live test on Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.